Ever wondered how you actually pay for things with Lunar? Is it magic? Is it a handshake? Or is it something a bit more normal? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the nitty-gritty of Lunar payments. Let's face it, in today's world, convenience is king. You want to be able to pay for that avocado toast without breaking a sweat, right? So, how does Lunar fit into this fast-paced lifestyle? First off, let's talk about the classic, the Lunar card. It's your trusty sidekick for both online and in-store purchases. Think of it as your passport to a world of spending, but without the jet lag. Tap, swipe, or insert, it's as easy as ordering another round of coffee. But wait, there's more. Lunar isn't just about plastic. We're talking digital gold here. With the Lunar app, you've got mobile payments at your fingertips. No more fumbling for your wallet in the depths of your bag. Just whip out your phone and say hello to contactless convenience. Apple Pay, Google Pay, you name it, we've got it. Now, let's get a little deeper. What about those online shopping sprees? Lunar's got you covered. We accept all the major payment cards, so whether you're a Visa Virtuoso or a MasterCard Maestro, you're good to go. And for those who prefer to keep their finances in order, there's always the option to pay directly from your bank account. But hold on, we're not done yet. Let's talk about the future of payments. Lunar is always looking for ways to make your financial life smoother. That's why we're constantly exploring new payment options. From biometrics to blockchain, we're at the forefront of payment innovation. So, keep an eye out for exciting updates. So, there you have it. Lunar payment options, a blend of classic convenience and futuristic flair. Whether you're a card-carrying traditionalist or a digital nomad, we've got you covered. But remember, the world of payments is always evolving. So, while we've covered the basics today, it's always a good idea to check the Lunar app or website for the latest updates. Because let's face it, staying up to date with your payment options is just as important as staying up to date with the latest cat videos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.